Abdullah dough kneader AE221 5 kg capacity being packed for Daraz order on 29th November 2023. This is the shipping label. It comes with a metal blade, a measuring flask, and Abdullah company's warranty booklet. Machine is okay from all the sides. We have checked it. We'll show you in the video also. There are no damages. You can see the back side. We'll show you from the bottom. You can see there are no damages. And now we will start it, and you can see how it runs. It has very low noise as compared to other companies' dough kneaders. Abdullah is the best available company for Atta making machines in Pakistan. This is its carton. The machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It makes dough within 3 to 5 minutes easily. You can order it from us, Orion Engineering Company. You can search us from Facebook and YouTube. As you can see, the machine has stopped automatically, and now we will pack it for Daraz. रिव्यू वाला